express my feelings, start my mind.
How's it going, people? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's your boy King back in the building. And today I'm there with my 5 major takeaways from this Reggae Boyz squad for this Copa America tournament.
Let me switch it up a little bit, switch just a little bit. Let me switch it up a little for that.
Them for know say the champion, and Spagga Benz represent for the Reggae Boyz, and for know say a big event. In that national stadium, some boy, a little team over there, so them better lay down and play them. I saw it going, we a step out with a big star there, man like Demari Gray, large up yourself. You don't know the things there, see it? With them up on a long chat, you don't know, say I slap up them nets like that, you know? Bobby Reed, Bosa, man like Damian Lowe, Leon Bailey, the star, them for know. Ready for them enough? Them better know. We tell them say them bad team over there, so I'm a bad team over here. So Reggae Boyz stay over here, so we not afraid of no one. And anything for happen, I go happen. And if it happen, them fi know say Reggae Boyz, we are the champion. And bad team over there, so them on a bad team over here. So Reggae Boyz stay over here, so ever ready for the world. Fight you over buckle, any obstacle we tackle. When make we feel threat, no Reggae Boy we score first car. We are not troublemaker, but we are gonna be the fire setter. Any hour that our team prefer. Boy full of word like them on newspaper. Reggae Boyz a gas and the lighter because if why them a look and them a judge Lee and book by the cover because the book them A1 lover. Well a one thing a team where surely discover say Reggae Boyz, yo, hey, we cold-hearted and dangerous.
Do remember to smash the like button. Do remember to subscribe who not subscribe yet. And leave a comment down in the comment section. The first thing we learned was that the big name players that were linked to come and play for the Reggae Boyz are not quite ready to come and play for the Reggae Boyz as yet. The likes of Mason Greenwood of Manchester United. We're talking about the likes of Omari Hutchinson of Chelsea. And we're talking about Reece Nelson of Arsenal. We see where all of those players are still eligible to play for Jamaica. But none of those players were included in the Copa America squad. Seemingly, none of them are not ready to come and play for Jamaica as yet. And in my opinion, that is okay. If they need time, give them the time. Now, what this will do is afford other players to step up to the plate. Yes, the debate will rage on about if those players are really committed to playing for Jamaica. But for me, I think those players are professionals. I think those players add value to the team. So if and when they're ready to commit to play for Jamaica, if there's still a need for them in the team, let's bring them in the team. But for me, if they want the time, let's give them the time. The second major takeaway is that we should get excited about the players who actually want to play for Jamaica. So yes, in this squad we have the likes of Demari Gray. We know say Demari Gray, the weight at Jamaica are gonna be on his shoulder because we will be looking up to him as the man. Then Shamar Nichols will also be one with the weight of Jamaica on his shoulder. Him alongside with him protege Kaim Dixon are the players that we will be looking forward to leading us to a successful Copa campaign. The third major takeaway from the Reggae Boyz leading up to this Copa America is the fact that Leon Chippy Bailey was included in the squad alongside Whisper. And yeah, people, I'm not there to talk about the drama, because over here we talk about football straight. So you see the drama and the passa, we try to leave it out. Yes, what happened off the field can affect the football on the field, but that is well documented, and I'm not there to get into that. What me I say on this topic though is, since the baller come say he need a break, give him the break. Yes, we're going to scrutinize him for say, yeah, I want to party, yada, yada, yada. But if you want a break, mental health, whatever, the baller need a break. Give him a break. We shouldn't have included him in the squad. Yeah, I understand say communication we're hard and we want our best players to be playing. But if somebody not mentally ready to play, leave them alone. And me say we should have left Liam Bailey alone. We should leave Whisper alone. What is damaging is that I see where Craig Butler is saying that Chelsea is threatening to pull the contract for Dujan Whisper Richards, and that's how we don't want it reach people.
Chelsea is not comfortable with him playing the game and doesn't want to release it.
Okay.
So the fact that they don't want to release him, we have a contract with Chelsea and we have to abide by it. Yeah. So Whisper was pulled, said no, he's not going to play.
load ball of them, man. If them want break or if them don't want to be involved, give them the break. I know say alright, at this day we have other ballers who can get the job done. But we can be excited about. Yes, me know football, you want your best players them out there. But if the players them don't want to play for whatever reason, leave them alone, find different players. The fourth major takeaway from this Reggae Boyz team leading up to the Copa America is the fact that we will be seeing a 5-4-1 formation or a 3-4-3. Which simply means that regardless of how you put it, there will be 3 centre-half in this team at all time. Based on the players that were selected for this team, we have a lot of defenders. We listed 10 defenders and we also listed Latibodier as a midfielder. In my opinion, Latibodier will be playing in defense. So that is 11 defenders. I personally expect to see us be playing a 3-4-3 or a 5-4-1 formation, which I think is the best formation as it relates to the personnel that we have in this squad. 5 major takeaway from this squad is that there will be new heroes. There will be people who wanna expect to be stepping up to the plate. They will be the ones to step up to the plate. Because we have 7 changes from the previous World Cup qualifying squad. Now let's take a look at how those 7 changes impacted. The first change saw Jaden Ibert being replaced by our captain Andre Blake. Yes, he's injured, but the recent performance of Jamali Wait in the World Cup qualifiers, where he conceded 2 sloppy goals, I think that's a major reason why we still bring in Andre Blake in this squad, hoping that he will be fit in time just in case if we reach the latter stages of this competition. The second change saw Gadiel Irving being replaced by John Bell. Now the funny thing is that John Bell was the one who was in the squad for the World Cup qualifiers. He got replaced by Irving. Now he might replace Irving again. You can't make this up, people. But either way you take it, that's also a positive change. Because John Bell, the one time I saw John Bell playing for Jamaica, he looked excellent. So, John Bell back in the squad, good change. Then we see where Daniel Johnson was replaced by Latibodier. Now, people, the writing was on the wall for Daniel Johnson. He hasn't been playing good for us over the past couple games. Fair to say, he play himself out of the squad. And Latibodier has to be back in the squad. The next change saw Deshane Beckford being replaced by Demarai Gray. That one there is a ABC change. We don't have to talk about that. Devontae Campbell was replaced by Michael Antonio again. Antonio for the night squad. Campbell didn't even get a game, but it was good experience for him to be in and around the squad. So Campbell being replaced by Antonio, ABC change again. The last change saw Fabian Reid being replaced by Leon Bailey. That one here, the drama one. Now it seems quite sloppy to have a 26-man squad and not be able to bring 26 man because we include Bailey and the SSA Bailey don't want to be included. But this one will be interested. Let's see what happens. People, all in all, I am excited about the squad. I am really excited to see how we'll perform. I think there's a lot of quality in this squad to really come out of this group. Let's go, people. It's time to rally around the Reggae Boyz team. There you have it. That was my 5 major takeaway from this Reggae Boyz squad leading up to the Copa America. People, do remember again to smash the like button. Do remember to leave a comment down in the comment section. And do remember to subscribe when you subscribe it. Until next time, it's your boy King. I'm out. What good?
Express my feelings, start my mind.